Hello, good morning, children. Yesterday started with lesson number 9. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson. All of you open textbook page number 38 with me and we will start reading the lesson. Yesterday we learnt about the importance of family and how family members help each other. Yesterday we learned how father works in the office for us, and while coming also he brings things from the market. We also studied how mother helps us in our studies. She cooks tasty food for us, and some mothers also work in the office. We studied how children can help their parents. We can help our parents in many ways. We can keep house clean, we can water the plants which are in the garden, we can serve water and take care of the guest. So this is how children can help their parents. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson. So on textbook page number 38 we will start reading. Grandma asked, what is the importance of grandparents in a family? Discuss. So we are going to discuss the importance of grandparents in a family. Children, as we know that grandparents are the oldest members in a family, so they have more experience than us. They keep the family united. When parents are working, they take care of the grandchildrens. They tell us good stories, they teach us good morals. So this is the importance of grandparents. Grandparents are the backbone of the family. Now let's see what is next. Fun with family. We have a lot of fun with our family. In the first picture, we celebrate festivals. Second, we eat meals together. Third, we go for picnic. Fourth, we watch movies. So in this paragraph they have told us how we can have fun with our family. We celebrate different types of festivals. For example, Diwali, Holi, Dashera, Christmas are the festivals which we can celebrate with our family. Then we can eat our meals together. Lunch, dinner, breakfast can be taken together with the family. We can go out for picnic, and in picnic there is much excitement and there is a lot of fun. So we can celebrate many things with our family. We can watch movies with our families. Then the fifth picture we see we can visit relatives. Sixth picture we celebrate special days. Seventh we play games. So we can go to our relatives with our family. We can join them on weekend and then we can enjoy together. Then we can celebrate special days. Special days means birthdays, anniversaries can be celebrated together. This also brings us together and gives us great joy. We can play games together. Yes, there are some games which we can play indoor. We can play snakes and ladders, carom, chess, and many other games with our family. You can also play cricket with your dad. So this also helps us to be close to our family members. Grandma says it is important for a family to share their happiness as well as problems. Yes, this is the right thing. When you stay in a family, you can share your happiness with your parents. You can share your happiness with your grandparents, with your brothers, sisters, with your uncles, and you can also share your problem with them. So if you don't know how to do homework, so you can take help of your family members to do the homework. If you don't know any answer related to your family, you can go and ask to your grandparents. So this is how you can help each other in the family, and you can share your happiness and joy with them together. Exercise time. A. Who does the following work in your house? Serve water to the guest. So I have written I. Water the plants? I. Take you to school? So you can write your own answers. Who takes you to school, whether mother or father? Pack your school bag? Mother. Cook the food? Mother. Help you to do your homework? Mother or father? So you have to write your own answers, children, over here. Question B. Write 4 things that you do to help your family. First, help mother in kitchen. Second, help to keep house clean. Third, water the plants. Fourth, take care of the guest. Question number C. Write 4 ways in which you have fun with your family. We celebrate festivals, we go for picnic, we watch movies, we play games. So these are the 4 ways in which we can have fun with our family. Question number D. Mark smiley for what you do and a sad face for what you don't do. Do you polish your shoes? So I have marked yes. I polish my shoes. So I have marked a smiley face. Do you study on your own? Sometimes I need the help of my big sister or my mother. So I have marked a sad face. Do you serve water to the guests? Yes. So I have marked a smiley face. Do you pack your school bag? No. So I have marked a sad face. This you have to do on your own. You have to see which things you do and which things you do not do on your own, and you have to put the smiley face or the sad face. Activity time. Know your family better. Complete the information about it. Write the dates following the special days. So, your children, you have to write the birthday of your grandfather, birthday of your grandmother. Here you have to write the birthday of your father and birthday of your mother. You have to write the dates. You have to write wedding anniversary of your grandparents and wedding anniversary of your parents. So you have to fill this information. You have to go and ask them when is their birthday and when is their wedding anniversary, and you have to fill this information. So children, with this we have completed lesson number 9. We have completed lesson number 9. We help one another. So you have to write all these answers in the textbook, and I will give question answers and hard words in the notebook. Bye.